creating transitions like this has never been easier with the new Film Impact transitions in Premiere Pro. Let's take a look. To achieve transitions like this in the past, we had to do a lot of different transformations, keyforms, you name it. Now, Premiere Pro has shipped with some really cool effects. Now it's easier than ever, and you can apply the video transitions from all of the Film Impact presets. And if you look here, there's quite a few presets to choose from. How do you know which one does what? Well, there's an easy way around that. We're going to go ahead and go to Window, Extensions, and look for the Film Impact dashboard. When you open that up, you're going to be greeted with a dashboard that shows you all of the brand new cool effects with just a click of a button. The cool part about this is you can go through all of the different transitions and see what's right for you with a little preview clip as you go. I like to use the Smart Tools, and what I'm going to do is select all of my clips in the sequence and then go to Motion Camera for this effect and hit Apply. You can adjust the length, but a really cool element that you can do that's been included is if you go to your effect controls, you actually now have a Surprise Me button that can change and give you variations of the impact. So if I go ahead and hit Surprise Me on these, you're going to get something a little bit different than the default. Let's take a look. And there you have it. So go ahead and explore these film transitions for yourself, and I'll see you in the next lesson.